In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blank column to a view in Tableau. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to open up your Tableau application. Ensure that your software is ready and running smoothly. Getting familiar with the Tableau interface is the first step in creating effective data visualizations. Once you've opened Tableau, head over to your worksheet. This is the space where the magic happens, allowing you to manipulate and display data comprehensively. Next, look at your data pane on the left side of the screen. You'll want to drag the region field to the column shelf. This action sets up the foundation for your data visualization. By dragging region here, you're essentially organizing your data by region, which helps in creating a structured view. Following this, drag measure names to the column shelf as well. What this does is give you a detail-oriented breakdown of measures across your selected columns. Now take the measure values field and drag it over to the rows shelf. This placement ensures that all the measurable data is arranged in a way that's easy to read and interpret. It essentially builds out your data view, allowing for a clearer understanding of the metrics involved. With the measures in place, we now turn our attention to the filtering aspect. You need to drag measure names onto the filter shelf. This lets you refine what data you want visible in your view, an essential step in ensuring that your dashboard only shows relevant data points. Then, under the marks card, drag measure names onto the colors option. This step provides a visual cue through different colors, aiding in the quick analysis and understanding of your data. Let's go on to create a calculated field by clicking on Analysis in the menu bar and selecting Create Calculated Field. This is where you harness Tableau's powerful calculation abilities. Name this field appropriately and enter any expressions you might need. When you're done, hit OK to create the field. Now you're going to drag this newly created calculated field onto the measure values card. This placement blends your calculated metrics seamlessly into the existing data framework. Click on it and set it to count in the measures dropdown. This functionality shows you a count as a numerical representation, which may be useful for quick checks or dashboards. If a null axis appears, you'll need to right-click on it, select Remove Title, and confirm by clicking OK. This cleans up your visual space, ensuring that there's no unnecessary clutter in your view. Additionally, Tableau allows you to execute the same actions within the rows view. Simply repeat the previous steps if needed. Should there be any remnant nulls, right-click on these, remove the title, and click OK to simplify the visualization. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you now know how to add a blank column to a view in Tableau. Practice these techniques, and soon you'll be building professional quality dashboards in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy visualizing.